is very unique when it comes to doing runs and riffs. Yes, we hear a lot of artists na nakakagawa ng mga kulot-kulot, but when Jason does it, it's very organic, it's very natural, and he has a certain style na siya lang ang nakakagawa.
He can turn any song into his. Any song that you give Jason, it's gonna be really good.
Hindi siya takot na mag-explore ng iba't ibang klase ng music, iba't ibang klase ng genre. Kaya I can say that he is a versatile singer.
That moment when I turn for him sa The Voice, every time he takes on a song, he makes it his own. Grabe yung grace, grabe yung sincerity, his passion to give it his own, kanyang sariling flavor, his own touch. And it's just beautiful every time he sings.
Pagkakakilala ko is quiet and reserved, but I know that he can really be fun because I watch his TikToks. I believe that he's very loyal and trustworthy.
Pag nakita mo siya for the first time, akala mo mahiyain, tahimik, reserved. Pero sa totoo lang, he's very funny. Pag malungkot ka, kaya kanyang patawan.
You can see that he really loves his job. He's having fun whenever he's on stage. But backstage, behind the camera, you see the real Jason Lee, which is like kalong, kengkoy, very funny.
Magandang pagkatao ni Jason Lee. 10 years in the business and hindi pa rin nagbabago yung pagiging grounded niya as a person. Yung artistry niya, mas lalo pa siyang gumaling ng gumaling. Because recently, I've watched his dance video at na-amaze talaga ako. I didn't know na ganun siya kagaling, kahusay, gumalaw, sumayaw.
Hi Jason, I didn't even know it was already 10 years, but you know, it seems like yesterday when you entered ASAP to be with all of us. Congratulations on your 10th year, and I really wish you all the best. I know how good and how hard you worked for your career. I wish you all the best.
Hey Jason, I just want to take this chance to congratulate you on your anniversary. 10 wonderful years. I know this celebration is a culmination of everything that you really worked hard for. And you deserve it because you work hard. You go out of your way to perfect your craft. Not just your music, but everything about it. Your image, your presence. Ganun. So congratulations, and I wish you more years to come, more music to release, and more people na mapasaya mo sa boses mo.
Congratulations on your 10th anniversary. Tulad nga ng palagi kong sinasabi, you are so blessed dahil hindi lahat ng artists pinabibigyan ng pagkakataon to celebrate such a milestone like this. So congratulations to you. And ang wish ko, sana lahat ng prayers mo, lahat ng wishes mo ay matupad dahil alam ko napakarami mo pang gustong gawin when it comes to your singing and your fashion. And syempre, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na naririto kami mga kaibigan mo, mga kapatid mo sa Cornerstone na i-guide ka. Nandito lang kami kung sa kailangan mo.
Congratulations, our dear Jason Lee, on celebrating your 10th anniversary in the entertainment business. I truly am so proud of you. I hope you continue to love what you do. I hope your passion for music continues to grow. Please keep on creating original music. I am looking forward to doing a song collaboration with you soon. I love you, congratulations, and let's perform together soon. Love you!